Hi everybody, this is Payal Datta and you're tuned into Spiritual Vibrations again. So as I promised you, I will come up with the continuation of my previous video. So you must watch my previous video about how the things trigger you and how you cannot control it or understand it. Okay. I promised you that I will tell you that what happens when we see the entire process from the top. So I have talked about that from bottom, the karma is more important. Why? Because end of the day, this is the third dimension we are living in. This is 3D. 3D is powerful when you are on third dimension. Common sense, right? It's always said that when you are in Rome, be like a Roman. So when you are on 3D, you have to follow the rules of 3D. But then you're not necessary that you have to always be in Rome. You can travel. That's the power of a human soul. It can travel wherever it wants to, everywhere it can travel. And that's why people talk about astral traveling and all that. Okay. It is very difficult for most of the people even to do astral travel. But unfortunately, they are doing it on a regular basis, but they don't have the awareness to it, right? Many people come and tell me, one thing, Payal, I would like to become a channel. Teach me how to become a channel. I always keep telling every single person on this earth that you are all the time channeling. कुछ भी आप करते हैं, it's not you who is doing, it's some divinity is passing through you and that's why you're doing it. The only thing you are able, that divinity is flowing through you, क्योंकि you have the frequency within you. And frequency means आपके पास वो tendencies है. You have got that संस्कार within you in Hindi. So आपके अंदर वो संस्कार है, आपके अंदर वो tendencies है, and that's why that tendency helps the divinity to flow through you. If say suppose you do not like some of your tendencies, you have to root it up from the bottom of it. You have to root it up and you have to completely get rid of that habit. But it is very difficult to do so because कहीं ना कहीं आपके roots फिर भी they are there. So how can you not allow that energy to flow through you? How can you stop it? The only way you can stop it is to stay conscious. Every moment you should be very conscious what is flowing through you. Sometimes we cannot handle it, and that happens to normal people. But then slowly with immense practice, you can have a very strong hold over the energy to not allow to flow through you. That's the power you develop through practice. So end of the day, वही बात हो गई कि सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को कैसे ट्रेन कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस से ट्रेन कर सकते हैं. ऑल द टाइम आपको रेपिटेशन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा ताकि आप एक नए हैबिट के साइड में जा सके. सो वट एवर दे हैव बीन टीचिंग अस, एवरीथिंग इज ट्रू. And we are failing in following those practices, and that's why in our Hindu Sanatana Dharma it was said that regular नित्य कर्म करने पड़ते हैं. नित्य पूजा करो, नित्य ये करो, नित्य means discipline, in regularity, in a daily basis, stay disciplined and follow the technique. And when we start following the technique on a regular basis, what happens? We create a new neurological pathway which becomes more powerful than the old pathway. And now when the event flows through, we have more chances that we will behave in the new pattern instead the old pattern. And the more power is given to the new pattern because you've been practicing it forever. And that's why even in Sanatana Dharma, in Gita, even Krishna said at the last 18th chapter that okay, fine, if you do nothing, if you've been the worst in your entire life, just before dying, think about me and I will take you. So before while dying, you have to think about me. So इतना भी करो. So many people say कि चलो मरने से पहले सोचेंगे भगवान के बारे में. But believe me, if you have not practiced that thinking about the divinity in the worst of your condition, in the merriest of your condition, while dying you cannot think about the divinity. You will always be thinking about your problems or your current issues or your desires. You will be stuck with that. कुछ लोग अपने problems में stuck होके मरते हैं, कुछ लोग अपने desire में stuck होके मरते हैं. तो ये That's why you cannot come out of it. The only way for you to come out of it is through practice, diligent practice. Like, no, I just saw a very good video of Shah Rukh Khan, and he said, Shah Rukh Khan नहीं, Salman Khan, that he said, कुछ भी हो जाए, आपको मेहनत करनी है, आपको वो लेवल पर डिसिप्लिन शो करना है. चाहे आपका बॉडी थक जाए तो आपके माइंड को स्ट्रांग बनाना है. आपका माइंड थक जाए, आपका बॉडी और माइंड थक जाए तो आपके विल पावर को स्ट्रांग बनाना है. करना है, मैंने करना है, भले कुछ भी हो जाए. जब आप कोई एक चीज़ को उस लेवल पे एक्सट्रीमली डिलिजेंट होके करते हैं तो एक पाथवे क्रिएट होता है. और फिर आप जब वो नहीं करते हैं तो आपको डिस्कम्फर्ट होना शुरू होता है. दिस इज अ न्यू हैबिट यू हैव डेवलप्ड. सो यू विल ऑल्सो डू इट व्हेन you are going through the worst time, or you will also do it when you are going to the good best time of your life, है ना. कभी आपको पता चलता है क्योंकि आप इतने बेहोश जीते हैं कि ये चीज़ आप समझ नहीं पाते हैं. बट मैंने अपनी आंखों से लोगों को करते हुए देखा है. लाइक दे आर डूइंग पूजा इवन व्हेन दे आर वेरी हैप्पी, दे आर डूइंग पूजा इवन व्हेन दे आर वेरी अनहैप्पी. दे डू इट डिलीजेंटली. वो चाहे जीवन में उनको सुख मिल रहा हो इसीलिए पूजा कर रहे हैं, जीवन में उनको दुख मिल रहा हो इसीलिए पूजा कर रहे हैं. दोनों ही समय में वो पूजा कर रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है आज के जैसे लोगों का कैसा रहता है, हमने 2-3 दिन के लिए पूजा पाठ किया, 1-2 साल के लिए फास्टिंग की, फिर हमने छोड़ दिया. नहीं, वैसा नहीं करते हैं ये लोग. What they do is, and I have such people in my own family, I don't want to disclose their name, but I have got people in my family who, even if the time is the worst going on, they are doing it. Even if they are in the happiest moment, they say नहीं ये मेरे को ये करना पड़ता है, मैं ये करके आता हूँ. हम सब बोलते हैं अरे हाँ ठीक है ना, एक दिन नहीं करेगा तो क्या होगा. The person says नहीं, that's not an excuse for me. नहीं करेगा is not even a concern. I have to do it. And once they do it like that, the change takes place. So this is what is 3D. तो कर्म से 3D बनता है, कर्म से आपका डेस्टिनी चेंज हो जाता है. बट नाउ द पॉइंट कम्स, पीपल आस्क, फिर अगर सब कुछ प्री डिसाइडेड है, अगर सब कुछ भाग्य ही है तो मैं मेहनत क्यों करता हूँ. नाउ दिस इज थिंकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. ह्यूमन व्हेन ही थिंक्स मैं कर्म करता हूँ तो मेरा भाग्य बनता है. ये हम नीचे से ऊपर देखते हैं तो ये हमें दिखता है, और ये सत्य है. किसका सत्य है? मेरे देखने के प्रोस्पेक्टिव से यही सत्य है. सो क्या ये झूठ है? नहीं, ये अर्ध सत्य है. वन ऑफ द ट्रूथ, इट्स हाफ ट्रूथ, बट इट इज माई ट्रूथ. सो हम इसे इन अदर वर्ड्स वी से इट्स अ ब्रह्म सत्य. ब्रह्म सत्य मतलब मेरे शरीर का सत्य है, मेरे शरीर का सत्य है, माई फिजिकल बॉडी का सत्य है, मुझे ऐसा ही दिखता है. और अर्ध सत्य इसलिए है क्योंकि आसपास के लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, तो वो अर्ध सत्य मतलब विष्णु सत्य में आ जाता है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय विष्णु? विष्णु इज नथिंग बट माया, राइट? विष्णु क्या है? माया करता है, माया में है. विष्णु इज माया. ही इज ड्रीमिंग एंड अ ड्रीमिंग स्टेट. दैट्स व्हाई यू विल सी विष्णु स्लीपिंग ऑन अ शेषनाग एंड ही इज ड्रीमिंग. ही स्लीपिंग मतलब ही इज ड्रीमिंग, एंड इन ड्रीम्स ही इज क्रिएटिंग ऑल दिस माया. In dream everything is happening. So who is reality? You are reality. Who? Brahma Satya is reality. But Vishnu Satya is illusion. And what do you mean by Vishnu Satya out here? Vishnu Satya means that me meeting somebody else, the other person is Vishnu Satya. I am the Brahma Satya. The other person coming in front of me is Vishnu Satya. So all the matrix which is taking place around me, say suppose I get a person who likes me, I get a person who hates me, I get a person who with whom I have a tussle with, I'm struggling in my life, situations are coming, people are coming, my health is troubling me. All this is Vishnu Satya. Okay, so only one thing is Brahma Satya, which is me, my existence, myself. I is Atal Satya. I mean, it's not Atal Satya, but it is my Satya, my reality. I say I can feel it, I can sense it, I can I go through the pain, I go through the happiness. It is my, I have experienced it. तो ये experience झूठ है क्या? No, it is true. It is the Satya, Brahma Satya. Thereafter comes the Vishnu Satya, which means the entire Maya taking place around you. That's why we say this is Maya. Why? Because this is illusion happening. And what is the illusion happening from? It's happening from the Brahma Satya. It is reflecting the Brahma Satya. This is the most interesting thing. And thereafter, once the Brahma Satya, and we all are suffering in between Brahma Satya and Vishnu Satya. No one elevates above that. Not a single person is moving above that. That's the worst part of it. उसके बाद भी कई सारे और 3 सत्य होते हैं, लेकिन हम ये 2 सत्य में फंसे हुए हैं. And thereafter the question comes, and where is the bhagya then? भाग्य कहाँ है फिर? The bhagya is another truth, which means it's another truth. The combination between the action, the reaction, the exchange of energy between the Brahma Satya and the Vishnu Satya creates your bhagya. And that is also a truth. That's a Shiv Nagna Satya. that तुमने ये कर्म किए हैं और तुमको ये भुगतने पड़ेंगे. ये नग्न सत्य है. You cannot deny it. And who knows it? The Brahma knows it. I know it. The problem is either this physical system is created in such a way you tend to forget it, because the divinity, the not even the divinity, the way it has been processed, planned and executed, it decided that if he continues to keep all the data, it won't be able to play the game. So best is to delete the data from it. तो अब यहाँ पे NLP आ जाता है, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग आ जाता है, जो कि साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने समझा that brain works in this pattern that he either deletes the concept, either distorts the concept, or either it generalizes the concept. तो generally most of the data is actually deleted because you cannot handle that pressure of remembering all that. So either if it is something which is very important for you to remember, you will remember, and rest all of it you will completely delete. Few of it you will generalize कि ऐसा तो सभी का होता है, और कुछ आप distort ही कर देंगे अपने convenience के हिसाब से. What do you mean by distortion? Like you will convert the truth according to your perception. Interesting, no? And this happens for the child. The child, when he is growing up, he is actually distorting the truth. जो सत्य है ही नहीं, पर उसको जैसा लगा उसने उस हिसाब से उस चीज को डिस्टॉर्ट कर दिया. डिस्टॉर्ट मतलब गलत ही समझा. जनरली हम क्या आज भी हम गलत ही समझते हैं. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट, कि हम गलत ही समझते हैं. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फैक्ट वेरी नाइसली, दैट this entire process is happening from bottom to top and then top to bottom. So the Nagna Satya, the Shiv Satya is who? The witnessing personality within you. He knows the original truth. Brahma Satya is like thinking about the physical body and the physical experiences and everything happening with the physicality of our life, the 3D truth, wherein I am just focusing on myself. I elevate, I get into the Vishnu Satya, wherein everyone is interacting with me and I'm creating my another reality. And the interaction between my reality and the reality around me, the illusion, the interaction between the illusion and my reality, the one who is watching all this interaction, the ultimate truth, the Shiv, which is the Shiv Satya, which is the Nagna Satya, is watching it. What do you mean by Nagna Satya? The witnesser within me knows exactly what is the truth. And that creates your bhagya. And once it creates your bhagya, so you are the one who is judging your own self in the process. So there is no God. The Shiv is within you. The Nagna Satya is within you. The witnesser is within you. You yourself are judging your own self. And he knows the naked truth. That's why it's such nice words, na? Nagna Satya. Nagna Satya means it's a naked truth. I can see you exactly the way you think. मतलब तुम उसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते, उसमें प्लास्टिक स्माइल नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते. वो तुम्हारा एक्चुअल स्माइल मैं जानता हूं। कौन बोलता है? तुम्हारे अंदर का विटनेसर शिव, तुम्हारे अंदर का शिव जानता है। और ये जो विष्णु सत्य, ये जो ब्रह्म सत्य है, वो क्या है? वो तुम्हारा ईगो है, आई है। एंड 3D is all about I, ego. When you rise from ego, you interact, when you are in ego, you interact with illusion. You create more karma, maya, you create more karma because of maya. And when you rise above both, you tend to meet your Nagna Satya, the ultimate truth. That's where your Bhagya is getting created. And from there, you are the most purest from. Shiva is pure. It's pure, right? We say he is pure. So from that pure state, he is acting from the bottom to top. So he is saying, अच्छा तुमने ऐसा किया तो तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा होगा. Because ये होना ही चाहिए. इसमें अग्रियंस है. किसका अग्रियंस है? तुम्हारे ही सोल का अग्रियंस है. हाँ, मैं मानता हूँ, मैंने तो ऐसा किया है, क्योंकि यहाँ नग्न सत्य चल रहा है. The naked truth is very honest and it's aware of the situation. तो ये सर हाँ मैं तो ये करूँगा, हाँ ये तो सर चलो, इसमें कोई झगड़ा नहीं चल रहा है आपस में. तो बहुत अवेयरनेस के साथ सोल बोलता है ठीक है, ये तो गलतियाँ मेरी है, हाँ मैंने यहाँ पे ये किया है, तो चलो मैं नीचे जाके ये सारा एक्सपीरियंस करूँगा, ये बैक टू बैक मेरे साथ ये होगा और मैं ये सब एक्सपीरियंस करता चला जाऊँगा. और एंड में डेस्टिनी ये रहेगी कि मैं ये समझ जाऊँगा, मैं ये इस भावना को महसूस करके, मैं एक्सपीरियंस करके, मैं ये सारे कर्म क्लियर करके आ जाऊँगा. एंड आई विल डू इट विथ कंप्लीट अवेयरनेस. वो प्रैक्टिस करता है. कहाँ पे? एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड में प्रैक्टिस करता है. वो बोलता है हाँ मैं सब कुछ याद रखूँगा, मुझे जब तुम आके परेशान करोगे मैं अवेयरनेस रखूँगा कि तुम आए हो, तुम मुझे हर्ट करोगे और तुम मुझे ऐसा परेशान करोगे, तुम मुझे एक सेंस दोगे, मैं वो सेंस को महसूस करूँगा. सब प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. बट द मोमेंट यू कम इन टू द ईगो, take birth. When do you get your ego? The day you were born, you get your ego. What do you mean by getting your ego? You get this physical body itself is ego. Getting a physical body is ego because you are confining yourself in a vessel. Your self is been confined in a vessel. तो अब इस वेसल को आप ईगो मान के चलो. ये वेसल ईगो का ही काम करता है. अब तुम जब तक इस वेसल में रहोगे तुम्हारे अंदर ईगो होगा ही. हाँ, लेकिन आई विल टीच यू दैट थिंग इन माई कमिंग वीडियो कि तुम इस ईगो से कैसे बाहर आ सकते हो. बट देन दैट्स अगेन अ वेरी मेंटल प्रैक्टिस. इट्स अगेन प्लेइंग विथ माया. इट्स अगेन माया इटसेल्फ. It's not that you are actually out of the ego. You cannot be out of the ego. You can act that you're not out of the ego. Again playing with Maya. You again using Maya to play like that. कमाल की बात तो यहाँ से शुरू होती है. और ये कोई नहीं पढ़ाता, ये कोई नहीं समझाता. सब बोलते हैं तुम्हें प्योर हो ही नहीं सकते ना हम. हमारे पास तो ईगो का वेसल है. इसलिए तो शास्त्रों में भी कहा गया है सबसे आखिरी में ईगो जाता है. What do you mean by सबसे आखिरी में? जिस दिन फिजिकल बॉडी छूटी तभी ईगो जाता है. तब तक कि तुम ईगो के साथ ही जिंदा रहते हो. मगर तुम प्रैक्टिस करते हो लाइक जैसे कि अभी तुम्हारे को मैनिफेस्टेशन के लिए क्या बोलते हैं, सोचो कि तुम्हारे पास करोड़ों की दौलत है. सोचो और उसको महसूस करो और एंजॉय करो उसको. वो फ्रीक्वेंसी को अपने अंदर लेके आओ. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इवन हियर वी आर डूइंग. ईगो रहेगा तुम्हारे साथ मरते दम तक, लेकिन तुम बस सोचो कि तुम्हारे पास ईगो नहीं है. ये भी एक इल्यूजन है. You're using Vishnu for this. I don't know how to explain it furthermore, but then I'll create an attempt and we will meet in another video. And I want your reviews, like guys, I want you to share this video to other people so that, see, I'm trying to help you to understand what you are in. Till the moment you are not understanding what you are in and what Satya you are living in, and how you have to elevate yourself and till what level you have to elevate yourself, you just can't. And when you are in this physical body, you cannot come out of it. You are in the Maya. Vishnu will keep अभी क्या बोल सकते हैं, विष्णु will do what he like, it's his nature. वो अपनी what's that right word which people say, वो अपनी बोलते ना, वो अपनी आदत से मजबूर है, वो अपने गुण को जी रहा है, वो उसका गुण है, वो वही करेगा. Enjoy. If you understand what I'm trying to teach you, and if you're enjoying this conversation, share it with maximum people. Tell me, did you understand what I was trying to say? Tell me, like the video and share it to most of the people who are really intellectual and want to understand what is happening with them. If you want to, of course. Have a lovely day. Thank you for even listening to me for 20 minutes, bro.